welcome to Paradise on 18 Wheels. Could have been anywhere else, but you guys chose to be here. I do truly do appreciate it. Thank you for joining our YouTube channel. Let me Hello, my fellow truck drivers out there. Thank you for tuning in to Paradise on 18 Wheels. We do appreciate you guys being here. Hey, today I wanted to go over a simple recipe with you guys. If you guys are at home, you guys could also do this in your trucks. It's a very healthy drink, you know, especially if you're trying to lose the stomach, okay? Works on both male and female. It's very simple to make. It's not expensive. So all you're gonna need is you're gonna need a blender. I happen to have a Bullet. You can use any type of blender. It doesn't have to have. You don't have to have a Bullet. A Magic Bullet is what it is. You're gonna need some bananas. Now I use frozen bananas, but you don't have to use frozen bananas if you don't want to. But I do. You're gonna need some lettuce, okay? You're gonna need the real lettuce, okay? Don't get the processed lettuce that's already comes in package, already all cut up. That's not the real one. This is the real one right here. And you're gonna need some honey, okay? I'm not gonna turn it around and show you guys what brand it is, but for copyrights, I'm not gonna do that. But all you need is honey. It can be any type of honey. It don't matter who makes it. Just gonna need it. Anyways, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to peel the skin off the frozen bananas that I use, frozen. Or if you use just regular bananas, take the skin off. And so let me go ahead and peel the bananas off, or peel the skin off the bananas, and I'll get back with you guys in a few seconds. Peeled the bananas, okay? Like I said, you don't have to use frozen bananas if you don't have access to a freezer, and most truck drivers don't. You can use regular bananas. I just recommend don't let them get brown. Like I have them brown because they taste really sweet, you know, but I'm here at the house. So, but if you're on the road, you want to, when you go to the grocery stores and you buy the bananas and there's still, there's no brown on them at all, those are the best ones to use, okay? The reason why I say that is because when you put them in the blender, if they're too brown, you'll have to sit here for quite some time to let the rotators inside the mixer mix those bananas, because they get a little tough to mix when they're soft and brown, okay? So let me go ahead and move this camera over here, move this tripod. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lettuce. It's a real simple ingredients. It's not hard, and it's very healthy smoothie to drink if you're trying to lose weight. You don't need that much lettuce, especially if you're making it just for one person. Set that aside. Trying to chop my fingers off. You don't have to chop it up a lot because the mixer's going to do it for you anyways. I'm just trying to break it up so it's a little easier for your mixer, or my mixer, to get the task done. So let me say hello to the dogs. Hello, dogs. That's Gucci over there, English Bulldog. The small one with the pink jacket is Pressy. And the one with the orange around her neck is Bella. So I'm just gonna go over here and get the this guy here. So anyways, I didn't get anything on camera that I wasn't supposed to. I have that habit of accidentally getting private information on camera, and then it takes forever to edit my videos. So yeah, all you do is put some lettuce in there. So I could probably cut too much because you don't need that much, and probably cut too many bananas too because I'm making it just for myself. But you know, it depends on how much banana you like. If you like it a lot of thickness. And then all you're gonna do, let me get this tripod and put it over here. You can use any type of water. You can use bottled water. You can use faucet water. I live here in Seattle, Washington, so our water here is really good, right off the faucet. And what I do is I just fill this up about halfway. There we go, about halfway. And let's turn this tripod over here. Make sure everything looks good. All right. So as I said, I'm using a NutriBullet. You can use whatever you want. And let's move these plates over here. Get them out of the way. Oh, my bad. See, I forgot one ingredient. And here, you can use as much as you want. There's no measurement. There's no measuring. It's just kind of go off of what you think, how much honey you would like in your drink. As you can see, I like lots of honey. All right, so let me put the top on. Hopefully it's not too loud once I get the blender working here. Let me put this over here so you guys can see. not, I can always put it back on the blender, but I can already see, you can see how easily it's moving around inside. Oh, I just accidentally leaked some out. I'll have to clean this up. But just for the video, I'll do this later. Right now, I don't want to spend too much time on this video. You guys have other better things to do with your time. So, take the lid off. Get me a glass. And maybe I should, I'm not that good of a pourer. I don't have that touch. As you can see, here's your smoothie. See that? I'm gonna give you guys the taste test. And it's very simple to make, as you saw. Let me go ahead and try it out. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Oh, so nutritious drink. I'm not kidding. It's just salad that you're using and a banana and water. That's it. Oh my goodness, that is so good. See, it brings my youth back into me. See that? Woo! Oh my God. All right, guys. So you can see it's really easy to make. It tastes so good. Oh, look at that. That's what you want right there. See, it's not too thick. Just remember, leave it on the blender for a while. You want to just kind of keep your hand on it and feel for heat if you're using frozen brown bananas, okay? Oh my goodness, that is so good. It is so good for you. Ladies, gentlemen, if you're looking to lose weight, this is a good drink for you, okay? Disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a physical fitness trainer or nothing. I'm just Paradise on 18 Wheels, and that's it. And, you know, I have a bunch of lettuce in the house, and I have a bunch of bananas, and I'm like, oh, what am I going to do with all these bananas and lettuce? And so I start doing my research. Here to come find out, you can make smoothies out of lettuce and bananas, and it tastes really good. And you can use any type of honey. I'm not going to turn the label around because I don't want to get copyright. But anyways, any type of honey, it's good for you, and you lose weight. Okay, so you guys can see, I got the trucker belly going on, but it's going away. Been doing exercising and eating correctly, so everything helps. Try out this lettuce, banana, honey smoothie. Hope you guys like it. Thank you again for tuning in to Paradise on 18 Wheels. We do appreciate that very much, and I hope this this drink finds you happiness in your life. And good luck with the shedding the weight on the stomach. So, all right, drivers, appreciate it. Have a good one. We will see you on the next video.